Welcome back to Crypto Jet, everybody. Today we're starting the video off with a little market recap, starting off with Bitcoin. Well, we are still following this upwards trend channel, and basically what's happening is currently we're sitting at fib levels like we did last time. And if you want me to plot that for you, I can do that as well. So right here you can see fib levels from the last retracement in the market. 50% was well respected, and I do expect it to be well respected right here once again. So at this point, I do expect a brief consolidation around this area before price continues towards more upside. And you saw it here first. This is how I expect the bull run to go before prices come crashing in towards the bear market after Bitcoin reaches 100K. So moving on to Ethereum very quickly before we move on to Holochain, or the coin of the day. Ethereum, looking at the log chart, is very, very nicely positioned. So as you can see right here, we're following a very long-term trend line. I'm sorry, I'm missing all these buttons right here. But as you can see, we're following a very long-term trend line all the way since March of 2020. We can see one touch, we can see another touch, third touch, fourth, and finally the fifth right here. So basically price action is telling us that Ethereum is going to be bouncing up quite a lot very, very soon. But I believe the retracement is not completely finished yet. Basically what I'm thinking is that we will potentially see another impulse towards a little bit more downside, hit the 4K mark once again, which I did say in previous videos was going to be a massive zone of support, and then just simply bounce up and move into the high 5 or low 6K mark very, very soon. So that's about it right now when it comes to Ethereum and Bitcoin, and a little bit of a market recap. Right here we have some news in the market. So regulatory agencies, nobody cares. Constitution, DAO, nobody really cares, right? India seeks to block most cryptocurrencies in a new bill. Well, this is quite interesting, but India is kind of on and off with crypto, same as with China. So this retracement that you have seen in the market is nothing related to news. It's simply people taking profits, so you shouldn't be afraid. Now, virtual real estate in the metaverse is sold for a record 2.43 million in crypto. This is already starting to get interesting, as it was sold in Decentraland, or Mana, one of the most amazing metaverse-based projects out there. And it was purchased by the Metaverse Group, a virtual real estate company. Who would have thought virtual real estate was going to exist in today's world? It's absolutely crazy. So NFT is in the dictionary. Google warns some other stuff that miners may be using compromised cloud accounts. Kimball Musk says he's launching a DAO, that's Elon Musk's brother, and a cryptocurrency called Omicron rallies over the weekend like the new COVID variant. Now, when it comes to Holochain, that's it about the news, obviously. $2 billion market cap. It has the potential to grow even more. Not going to go into too much detail, except you can purchase it on all of the largest exchanges, or Binance being the most important one. Now, Holochain is basically there to help you build applications in a secure and reliable way. So this means building applications on and off of the blockchain as well. So lightweight, secure, versatile, made for everyday apps. You can think BitTorrent, GitHub, cryptographic signatures all in one. So how does it work? You install an app, signs and stores your data on your device. You share your public data with a random set of peers. The peers validate the data against the app's rules, and then if the data is invalid, it triggers a network-wide security response, making it one of the most secure systems in the world. So it can be done for apps, it can be done for blockchains. Really cool project. I do recommend you, I'm not going to tell you to invest into it, but I do recommend you do your own due diligence, and it may lead you to investing into this project. So lastly, looking at the chart, you can see that I drew a lot of random stuff back in the day, but without overcomplicating it too much, I think at this point we see a nice bullish correction pattern. We see a nice sort of triangle or whatever forming and following this beautiful trend line towards more upside. Now currently we are creating another bullish correction pattern, so at this point I do recommend waiting for a break before purchasing into this coin. And my targets are first and foremost the previous all-time high, such as with pretty much all the cryptos in the market at this point. And the next target would probably be even larger, or the minimum price objective of this huge impulse towards the upside, because I do believe that this project has a huge place in the future. And let's just see how the log chart distorts this right now. Well, it's going to be somewhere a little bit higher than the previous all-time high, but I will just leave the target at 0.03 cents for now. So that's about it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, leave a like, subscribe, and check out the channel, and I'll see you all in the next one. Thanks for watching.